Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you AI GameZone review. So what actually is AI GameZone? Guys, AI GameZone is the world's first true ChatGPT powered AI based app that creates 100% done for you gaming affiliate website with thousands of inbuilt done for you world famous games for maximum profits. Play and sell unlimited games for yourself or clients with unlimited commercial license. Creator of this software AI game John Akshat Gupta, and this software goes live on 13th of December 11 am EST. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software AI game zone. Right now I'm in the sales page. I'm going to show you pricing and OTOs of this software AI game zone. I'm going to show you quick demo how actually works this software. So please don't skip this video before watching demo guys. 3 simple steps to work this software AI game zone. Here is the 3 simple steps you can see. Step number 1, create your account and your site ready with done for you games. Boom. Step number 2, enter your payment details like PayPal, Stripe, Wire or anything. Step number 3, start profiting by a game zone with every sale of any game or even playing games on your site. Guys, right now I'm going to show you quick demo. Then I'm going to show you all other information. Is this software legit or scam? I'm going to show you everything. So guys, stay tuned. And I'm going to show you also pricing and OTOs that no one can share with you. Okay, this is my honest review guys. So let's see the demo first. This is the video demo that created by the software creator Akshat Gupta. He actually explained well in a very short time. That's why I'm sharing this demo with you. So let's see the demo first. You can add new games here. Guys, I hope you understand. You will be able to easily create a affiliate done for you affiliate website with AI GameZone. This is very easy to use software. Okay, here is a lots of information about this software AI GameZone. Guys, AI GameZone actually a legit software. Akshat Gupta has already launched lots of software successfully on Aurea Plus marketplace, and this will be another good one. Okay, because this is very clean and very easy to use software, and you will be able to guys add your own affiliate link in any games or any site. Okay, and this software will also give you 30 days money back guarantee. If you are facing any kind of problem within 30 days, then you can refund your money. So no problem, guys. Right now, I am going to show you. I'll introduce actually all the pricing and OTOs. So let's see the pricing. The front-end price AI GameZone is only $17. Okay, here is you can see the front-end price. AI GameZone OTO number 1, AI GameZone unlimited features, they will provide $37 the pricing. Okay, one-time payment. Keep in mind, guys, no monthly or recurring fees here. And AI GameZone OTO number 2 is done for you $67. AI GameZone OTO number 3 is $27. OTO number 4 with AI GameZone done for you traffic $47. On time payment, all are on time payment. And OTO number 5 $97. OTO number 6 AI GameZone white label license $197. And AI GameZone OTO number 7 $197. AI GameZone Giant Mega Bundle $197. This is also one time payment. I hope guys you understand about the pricing and OTOs, and what you will get here is all the features. Just click the link in my video description below and check out the full features. Okay, before purchase this software, this will help you to purchase this software, guys. This will help you actually. Okay, here as you can see the testimonial and all other information. This is the creator Akshat and 𝐁𝐢𝐫𝐿 Bishwani. They are creating this software. Okay, this is very interesting software and very easy to use software, guys. Here is lots of info you can see here. Okay, also they will provide this 5 bonus number 1 AI zone, bonus number 2 travel website builder, where this is actually another software they will provide. Bonus number 3 online course website builder. Bonus number 4 81% discount on all upgrade. Bonus number 5 unlimited commercial license. Okay, here is everything, and also 30 days money back guarantee. And do you have any questions? Your answer is available here, I think. Here is you can see, do you provide money back guarantee? Absolutely, they will provide 30 days money back guarantee, and is a step-by-step training included? Absolutely, they will provide a step-by-step training and guides you through the entire process with no turbulence. And do you have provided support? Yes, they will provide support, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope I give you enough information. So guys, please subscribe our channel. Stay safe. Thank you. And this video you can share with your game lover friends who actually, and this is also guys a money making online money making opportunity. So you can share this video with your friends and family who actually love game. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon our next video.